What did the pandemic teach me about human nature? Well, it taught me a lot. During that time frame, it was interesting because it was in the middle of chaos, yet we all had to slow down. And when we slowed down, amazing things started to happen. I ended up becoming an author. I wrote an entire book during that time frame. We weren't running around to all these different activities. We had to slow down as a family, lean into our core values, and just learn to go inward and spend time with yourself. And that Explore was a paradigm shift. It changed everything, changed my life completely. And I think everybody started going on a deeper explore into their personal consciousness at that time.